Ink Different Tattoos presents. College isn't for creatives, but a tattoo apprenticeship might be. Why college feels like a dead end for creatives. Picture this. You're stuck in a lecture about European trade routes, but your notebook is full of tattoo sketches. That's not failure. It's a sign you're in the wrong place. College is pitched as the safe path, career, paycheck, respectability. But if you're creative, it often feels stifling, draining, and disconnected. You're not the problem. Your environment is. Traditional education is built for memorization, conformity, and theory. Creatives thrive on visuals, hands-on work, and late-night bursts of inspiration. Trying to grow in that rigid system is like planting a sunflower in a shoebox. It just doesn't work. The big disconnect: left brain world, right brain soul. College is a left brain environment, deadlines, tests, and rubrics. Creatives, on the other hand, think in shapes, colors, and flow. That mismatch can crush your spark and confidence over time. In short, college isn't wrong, it's just not built for the way artists learn best. Why tattoo studios feel like home to artists. Step into a tattoo shop and the vibe is instantly different. The buzz of machines, walls covered in art, and artists trading ideas. It's a space where creativity thrives. In a tattoo apprenticeship, your classroom is real skin, real people, real art. Instead of studying diagrams, you're learning how skin stretches, how to design for bodies, and how to bring your sketches to life. Most importantly, you're surrounded by people who speak your language, artists who get it. The Tattoo Apprenticeship Advantage. Forget 4 years of lectures. Apprenticeships are structured training led by professionals who've already built successful careers. You'll learn by doing, practice designs, master tools, and work with clients. Get real feedback, not grades, but guidance from experienced tattoo artists. Build your portfolio early. Start creating professional work from day one. For creatives looking for a real career alternative, tattooing offers both artistry and income. Myth busting. Tattooing isn't a riskier career than college. Tattooing isn't a gamble, it's a growing industry. Tattoos are in demand across every age group. Tattoo artists can earn well, set rates, and choose clients. The industry is expanding, and skills directly match earning potential. So, is college worth it for artists? Maybe. But if you want a creative career with income potential, tattooing is a faster, more direct route, making the leap from lecture halls to tattoo studios. If you'd rather sketch for hours than cram for exams, you're ready for a tattoo apprenticeship. You want feedback from working artists, you think about art daily, and you're ready to build something real. The steps? Find a reputable apprenticeship. Learn from experienced mentors. Build a portfolio that launches your career. If you are serious about becoming a professional tattoo artist, email or call us today.